Hello, my name is Sean, and you might know me as FriendlyMan00. I have this YouTube channel that you're on right now. Um, so, on June 7th, there's going to be an election happening for Ontario. I am a Canadian citizen. I do live in Ontario, and I'm making this video to stop the Liberal government from getting in again. Their policies over the years, they've been charging way too much taxes, and because of their policies, I am not making as much money as I used to make, and there's so many more. Like, I have tons of videos ideas. I'm going to try to make as many videos until June 7th, and so at least get one person. So my goal is not to let the Liberal government have one chair. They're going to have 0 chairs. If they can have 0 seats on Queen's Park there, I will be happy. And you will be happy too, because they're going to be, they can't make any policies that will hurt us anymore. So I'm here to say, let's stop the Liberals from getting in. So, stop the Liberals. So, on July 1st, 2010, the harmonized sales tax came in, other words known as HST. Okay, the federal goods and the service taxes, GST, were combined to make a 13% tax. And that's because of the Liberals. But it's one thing that they also do, okay, they don't tell you all the other stuff that's happening. Because they combined the taxes, more things were taxed at 13%. Some stuff was taxed at 5%, and that was very good. And so it was less money. But because they were like, oh no, there is no 2 taxes anymore, it's only 1, now you have to pay 13 on everything. And when you pay a higher percentage on everything, you get more money. And this is one of the things that they do to buy votes. So right now they're saying, oh, vote for us and we'll give you free childcare. Yeah, it's good to have free childcare, but it's not really free. You're going to pay for it in extra taxes. And let's take the harmonized sales tax for an example. So I have gas here on the side. You used to pay 5% for gasoline. Okay, with the harmonized sales tax in 2010, now we're paying 13%. There's a reason why, it went to 70 cents to $1. Now it's at $1.30 in some places. So, now, that's because they also put another tax in, the carbon tax. Well, see, there's all these taxes that, yeah, it's not on your bill, but, they say, oh yeah, we're going to buy buses and stuff like that. But they found out from Vancouver found out these taxes are not buying buses. They're not helping people. Oh, this is helping the environment. This is just a way for them to use this as a cash grab to take money from you and put it into things that they want to put it in. So gas is one of them for taxes that increase. There's a whole bunch of other stuff. Another tax they brought in was called the eco fee. On July 1st in 2010, no one knew about this, but it was in the bill. They had an eco fee, another tax. And it caught everybody by surprise. And this tax was, it was very little, but it was a way for them to pay for other things. So you're not going to get the free stuff that they're promising you. Okay? Now, and they're not going to give you anything else. You're going to be paying for it. So don't vote them. Whatever you do, don't vote for them. Okay, I started working at another job. I started working at Arby's, and when I first started there, it was always fully staffed, and it was like, and then at the night crew, when I was working nights, it was from 4 people, and we could get out by 10:30. Now, like I'm not even. I mean, I haven't even called for work. I've been called a couple times, but or basically for 3 months because I've lost hours. When it got up to $14 per hour, he just doesn't call me anymore. My boss doesn't even call me. And yeah, it's great for the people that are working, but it's not good for the people that are not working. And I can't afford to, to miss shifts and miss work. So I've lost a lot of hours, lots of money. I've known other people that have lost a lot of hours and a lot of money. What the businesses are doing, they're cutting back hours and they're cutting back people. And so we're losing tons of money because of that. And, you know, so this $14 an hour thing that they're talking about, you know, a lot of people, they're getting the same amount, but they're working less, right? And so, they're saying like, oh, these people were, it's supposed to debalance the people that raise their food over the years. And yes, you can, like, you should increase, something if it's raising the food. But what they didn't realize is if you increase everybody's wage, everybody's food in that province, Ontario, goes up at the exact same time. Okay? My store increased their money, and every other store increased their money. I noticed bread was at $3.40 when I what's it called, bought bread before January 1st, when the minimum wage went up. Now it's closer to $4.50. So everything is going up, and we can't allow that to keep on going. So I want to say no to the $15 per hour, because at $14 an hour, I'm losing work. At $15 an hour, I'm going homeless. And I usually don't say this, but I would like you to give me a thumbs up or even a thumbs down if you didn't like this video. Also, if you can, pass it on to as many people as you like to get the word out to let's stop the liberals. And so if you can do that for me, it will be a great favor. Thank you very much.